Welcome to Tech in 10, a series that gives you technology tips in 10 minutes or less. My name is Bethany, and I work for the Vestavia Hills Library in the Forest. Brush up on your Windows 10 skills in this introduction to Microsoft's latest operating system. Let's get started. Click the Start icon. The Windows 10 Start menu includes a sidebar, a list of your apps, and tiles. First, let's take a look at the sidebar. Hover your cursor over the sidebar. The menu automatically expands. It provides fast access to your account, documents, pictures, settings, and power. Click your account name. You can change your account settings here. You can also lock your PC. I use this feature when I must step away from my desk at work. It goes to the lock screen and requires my password for anyone to access my computer. You can also sign out of your account or switch users, such as if a different family member wants to log into the computer on their account. The next section of the Start menu is the list of apps. This begins with recently added apps at the top. A scroll bar appears between the apps and tiles. The last section of the Start menu consists of tiles. Tiles are apps that are pinned to the Start menu. They let you quickly open an app without having to scroll through the list. To create a tile, find the app in the list and right-click it. Choose Pin to Start. The app is now pinned to the Start menu. Move tiles around by dragging and dropping. You can also customize the size of the tiles. Resize a tile to your liking by right-clicking the tile. Choose Resize and pick a size. Some tiles flash with updates. These are called live tiles. If you find the movement distracting, you can turn off a live tile. Right-click on the live tile. Hover over More. Click Turn Live Tile Off. The tile is now static and does not flash with updates. Conversely, to turn on a live tile, repeat these steps. Keep in mind that not all tiles have the capability of being live tiles. If you like to organize, you can create groups for your tiles. Drag a tile beneath all the rest. Drop it at the blue line that appears. Click in the space to name the group. Too much clutter? Unpin any apps that you wish. To unpin an app, right-click it and choose Unpin from Start. This does not uninstall the app. It only removes it from the pinned apps. Do you prefer pinning your apps to the taskbar? No problem. Right-click the app, choose More, and click Pin to Taskbar. If you want to completely uninstall an app, right-click the app and choose Uninstall. This will remove the app from your computer. Some apps cannot be uninstalled from the Start menu in this way. If you made a mistake, you can always download it again from the Microsoft Store. Do you miss having shortcuts on the desktop? We can do that too. Right-click on the app. Select More and then Open File Location. Click the app once to select it. Now right-click the app. Select Send To. From the list, choose Desktop. A new shortcut appears on the desktop. Now that you're familiar with the Start menu and managing your apps, let's move on to the Search feature. You can search everywhere or specific locations, like just your apps or just the web. But there's a cooler way to search, Cortana. Cortana is a virtual assistant that can make your life easier. Not only can she search the web and find facts, but she can also manage your calendar, create lists, open apps, and more. Sign in with your Microsoft account to get these benefits. You already have a Microsoft account if you use Microsoft 365, Skype, Outlook, or other Microsoft apps. If you don't have an account, it's free to create one. Keep in mind that Cortana has access to your data, such as your searches, calendar, contacts, and locations, to improve your experience. Once signed in, type your request or use the microphone to speak. Cortana also gives you tips on how to go hands-free and just use the keyword Cortana to activate her at any time. Open Word.
All right, I'll open Word.
What time is it in London?
It's 9:26 p.m. in London.
Create a note.
What do you want to call your list?
To do.
What do you want to add to your tasks list?
Record date for Windows 10 Part 2.
I added that to your tasks list.
Cortana. How tall is the Eiffel Tower?
The Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron lattice tower on the Champ de Mars in Paris, France.
Hey Cortana. Translate corazon to English.
Corazon in English is heart.
Hey Cortana. Tell me a joke.
Where do horses like to hang out? In their neighborhood.
Now let's look at accessing files. Click the File Explorer. It opens to a section called Quick Access. Your frequently used folders and files appear in this section. Use the sidebar to navigate to various folders on your computer. If you're looking for the My Computer section from Windows 7, it's now called This PC. Another big difference is the addition of OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's built-in cloud service. It lets you safely and securely store your files online and syncs them to all of your devices. That's all we have time for today. Stay tuned for Part 2 of Windows 10 Basics next month. Ready for more right now? Check out the Vestavia Hills Library in the Forest on YouTube. Choose the Technology playlist. Don't forget to like us on Facebook to stay up to date with all the happenings at your library. Thanks for watching!